In this video, we are going to see some common errors in Spreadsheet. Yeah, let's get started. First, let's start with DIV Error. DIV Error is nothing but if any number divides with 0, it will give a DIV Error. Here, look at the example. The second cell contains the number 4 and the third cell contains the number 0. If we divide second cell by third cell, it will give DIV Error. The reason is any number divides with 0 is mathematically wrong. Next, the name error occurs when you enter certain function and the spelling of the function name is wrong. It throws a name error. You see, I mistakenly entered SU A7 to A8, but the correct one is sum A7 to A8. And the next, the num error occurs by an invalid argument in a function or a formula that produces a number too large or too small to be represented in the worksheet. Often this error is seen when you enter a numeric value that's different than the other arguments used in your formula. You see, the given example is not contains valid number. Fourthly, an reference error is the message displays when a formula references a cell that no longer exists, usually caused by deleting cells that a formula is referring to. You see, after adding two cells, I delete one cell so that it shows reference error. Next, the dangerous one, value error. Value error is a way of saying there is something wrong with the way your formula is typed, and there is something wrong with the cells you are referencing. The error is very general and it can be hard to find the exact cause of it. You see the example, I am adding 3 cells, but unfortunately one cell contains alphabets, so it throws me a value error. Last, the NA error occurs when the value cannot be found in the referenced data. Finally, thank you for watching.